Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to this SYBSC online lecture. In the last lecture, we studied about Langmuir's adsorption isotherm as well as Freundlich adsorption isotherm. In the today's lecture, we are going to see BET theory, that is BET theory, which is a adsorption theory which gives a determination of surface area of adsorbent. BET, this is the combination of names of three different scientists, that is Stephen Breuner and P.H. Emmett as well as Edward Taylor. These are the three scientists on the name of the BET. There was a adsorption theory was there which discuss on determination of surface area of adsorbent. Those are gives a equation that derives which having the BET theory. In 1938, here we can see in 1938, the scientist Stephen Breuner, P.H. Emmett and Edward Taylor. See, T, Emmett E and Breuner B. From the letters of three different scientists, here Stephen Breuner, P.H. Emmett and Edward Taylor, here the three different letters are taken, that is BET theory, which determines determination of surface area of adsorbent, which both all these scientists were gives an equation which determines the surface area of adsorbent. Before that, all these were put forward in assumptions. Initially, they put forward assumptions, and this is an extension of the Langmuir adsorption theory, which is very important. This theory is the extension of Langmuir adsorption theory. Further, all these scientists were put forward some assumptions. First, we have to go to see the assumptions, and then we see the equation, what type of equation they were gives. Okay, let me see what are the assumptions. Here, the gas molecules, you will write. I will write here gas molecules assumptions of BET theory, assumptions of BET theory. First, what are the assumptions? There are 4 to 5 assumptions are gas molecules physically adsorbs on solid in infinite layers. So, one more very important, this BET theory, which is the adsorption of gas molecules on solid surface, which explains gas molecules on solid surface. Here we can see the first assumption, gas molecules physically adsorbs on solid in infinite layers. Already we discussed in the physical adsorption, there was in the last before 2-3 lectures, there was a comparison between the physical adsorption and the chemical adsorption. The physical adsorption, that is van der Waals adsorption, it forms multi-layer. Are you remembered it? Chemical adsorption is a monolayer formation is there, in which physical adsorption is a multi-layer. So, which stated that here in this assumptions, BET assumptions theory, gas molecule physically adsorbs on solid in infinite layers. That is, number of layers can be it forms. Second, gas molecules only interact interact with adjacent layer, only interact with the adjacent layer, And third one, the Langmuir theory, which is also one of the very important postulate, the Langmuir theory can be applicable, can be applied to the, can be applied to each layer. Here we can see the Langmuir theory, which we have already explained, that theory can be applied at each layer. Next one, the enthalpy, of adsorption, for the first layer, is constant, and greater than the second layer, So these are the 4 important assumptions given by the BET theory. So on the basis of these assumptions, BET derived an equation. That equation is known as BET equation. All these scientists were, on the basis of these assumptions, derived an equation. We have to write the equation for what is the equation, that is derived an equation by these BET, that is Brownier, Emmett and the Taylor, were derived an equation is known as BET equation. That equation can be written as, the BET equation can be written as, from that equation we can see, if you plot a graph of the BET equation, we can calculate the BET derived an equation is known as BET equation. On the basis of these assumptions, BET derived an equation that is known as BET equation. It can be written as 1 upon mu nu P0 upon P minus 1 equal to C minus 1 upon nu maximum C P upon P0 plus 1 upon nu maximum C. This is the equation which was given by the BET. Here we can see, we can write here, nu is equal to adsorbed gas quantity. These are the terms, adsorbed gas quantity, second P0 saturation pressure of adsorbate, and P is the equilibrium pressure of adsorbate, and C is the BET constant. You have to remember it. This is the equation, is known as BET equation. This is an equation derived. Just we have to write the equation, and we should know the terms. What are terms involved in the BET equation? That is nu equal to adsorbed gas quantity, P0 is saturation pressure of adsorbate, and equilibrium pressure of adsorbate, and C is the BET constant. If you observe carefully, this equation, it looks like a straight line equation, that is y equal to mx plus c. So here we can write the graph of BET equation. If you plot the graph of BET equation versus, that is 1 upon nu P0 upon P minus 1 with respect to P upon P0 on x axis, and you will get the straight line equation, the graph can be plotted. BET graph can be plotted as if we plot, see here we can see here on this is y axis and it is x axis. If you look at carefully, this is y mxc plus, that is y this is considered as a y, this is the slope, this is x and this is the sleep. If you consider on y axis 1 upon nu p 0 upon p minus 1 on y axis, on x axis p upon p 0 on x axis, and if you will get the straight line equation with intercept, straight line equation with intercept, this intercept equal to 1 upon nu max of c, this is the intercept, and slope equal to, what is the slope? Slope equal to c minus 1 upon nu max c, this you will get the slope. So, with this we can say that the BET theory which explains the determination of surface area of adsorbent by this equation, which having the a linear equation, straight line equation. Okay. So, this is the BET theory, which is a extension of Langmuir's adsorption theory, which have the some assumptions. On the basis of the assumptions, those are derived an equation that is known as the BET equation. The BET equation is the 1 upon nu p 0 upon p minus 1, which is equal to c minus 1 nu max of c p upon p 0 plus 1 upon nu max c, which is c is the BET constant. Okay. So, this is the BET theory. Here I will stop here. In the next lecture, that is the last point of this topic, that is applications of adsorption. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.